10 Great Books About Steel Structures. Structural Design of Steelwork by Lawrence Martin and John Purkiss. For civil and structural engineering students, technicians, and professionals, this is a thorough introduction to designing to the new Eurocode specification. It uses worked examples to address Eurocode 3 on steel and Eurocode 4 on composite structures, and it gives an introduction to principles as well as practical compliance assistance. Architectural Design in Steel by Peter Trebilcock and Mark Lawson. Steelwork allows for architectural expression while also being a structurally flexible and adaptable material. Detailing is essential because it affects structural performance, costs, buildability, and, perhaps most importantly, aesthetics. While the selection of structural form is frequently left to the structural engineer, architects should have a thorough understanding of the elements that influence the structures and its details choices. Cold-Formed Steel Design by Wei-Wen. This book, hailed as the standard guide on the design of cold-formed steel by specialists worldwide, contains explanations of the construction and structural behavior of cold-formed steel members and connections from both theoretical and experimental perspectives. This all-new 5th edition provides readers with a better understanding of the analysis and design of the thin-walled, cold-formed steel structures. Forensic Structural Engineering Handbook by Robert T.Ratay. This book is the most comprehensive and up-to-date resource on forensic structural engineering available. This definitive guide, which has been thoroughly updated and includes contributions from top specialists, provides a complete overview of forensic structural engineering and expert witness delivery. From investigating and studying failures to collaborating with the legal profession to assign duties. Cable Structures by Max Irvine. This is a one-of-a-kind book covering a topic barely discussed in other engineering publications. The book is particularly accessible due to the author's historical perspective and references to real-world examples, because cable structures can span long distances and cover significant areas with minimal material weight. They are structurally efficient and cost-effective in almost every application. Bridge Launching by Rosignoli. This book is about bridges built with incremental launching technologies and pre-stressed composite materials. It incorporates construction techniques, static, aesthetic, and economic characteristics for this kind of construction. Bridge Launching is a comprehensive manual that covers theoretical and technological aspects of the construction process of both beam bridges and arch bridges. History of Strength of Materials by P.Timoshenko. This outstanding historical study of material strength, with many references to elasticity and structural theories, is based on the author's extended series of lectures. Timoshenko looks into the discipline's early beginnings, from ancient Egypt's magnificent monuments and pyramids through the temples, roads, and fortifications of ancient Greece and Rome. Strength of Materials by P.Timoshenko. In these 2 volumes, P.Timoshenko explained all you have to know about mechanical problems. Part 1, Elementary Theory and Problems, contains the essential material usually covered in required courses of the strength of materials in the engineering schools. In the 2nd volume, the author gives a very understandable demonstration of the resolution of all kinds of mechanical problems. The Green Books. These publications are primarily focused on 2 groups of people: structural steelwork connection designers and detailers. Both need a thorough understanding of how connections are formed, how they function, and how to distinguish between good and bad practices. Green Books series provides guidance for nominally pinned joints as well as for moment-resisting joints following Eurocode 3 standards. All books by the European Convention for Constructional Steelwork. These books are all you need if you want to get familiar with the Eurocode principles. The ECCS organization brings together every aspect of the building codes with numerous worked examples throughout all books. You will learn about the fundamental design concepts for steel structures and building constructions, as well as more complex ones like fatigue design of steel and composite structures. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.